John chapter 14 and verse 31, he says, let us go from here. And so as they're leaving, in John chapter 15 and John chapter 16, he's giving them information. He's teaching them, his 12 apostles. Well, actually 11, because Judas is on his way to get the Roman soldiers and the Jewish leaders so they can crucify the Christ. And as he steps out into the Kidron Valley, he lifts up his head into heaven. And he says here in John 17, starting in verse 17, and he's praying to God. The whole chapter is a prayer. And he says, sanctify them through thy truth. Thy word is true. As thou hast sent me into the world, even so I have also sent them into the world. And for their sake I sanctify myself, that they also might be sanctified through the truth. Neither pray I for these alone, but for them also which shall believe on me through their word, that they all may be one, as thou, Father, art in me, and I in thee, that they also may be one in us, that the world may believe that thou hast sent me. You know how we get unity? By we all believing in the same book. Not all having separate ideas. You do what you want, I'll do what I want, and everyone's going to heaven. Why we meet anyway?